All right, check this one out here. This is a LimeRush TRD Pro 4Runner. This is actually a used one, but it has no miles on it. I think it's got like 200 miles on it. So if you haven't looked at one in depth, check it out. All right, so the TRD Pro every year has a special color that comes around that's only available for 1 year, and this year is LimeRush. The TRD Pros do come with your TRD wheels and the Terra grabber tires. I apologize, this car isn't as clean as we normally is, but we've had a lot of snow lately, so. But you also get your black badging, your black TRD Pro. You also get your roof rack. Now these are J-built cars. What that means, these are assembled in Japan and shipped over, as most 4Runners are. I think all 4Runners are. Notice the TRD black exhaust tip. The big difference between the Pro and the other models is this front end. This is actually a different front end. It's not just a couple pieces are painted different. You've got the Heritage Toyota up front there. Also, you've got your cameras there. And then on the side of the mirrors for the multi-terrain monitor. And then you've got your TRD Pro skid plate. Let's check out the inside. It's going to have the Softex leather with the red stitching. The Softex is actually a synthetic leather. It is not a real leather. You'll find that in most Toyotas. Full power buckets on both sides. The 4Runner TRD Pro floor mats. Big back seat. Pretty easy operation as long as you got the keys. Can run that window up and down. It's been a staple of 4Runners for a super long time. $120-volt power outlet in the back with a 400 watt max along with a 12 volt. Relatively flat floor with an easy load in. You can get them with a sliding tray that you can mount a cooler on as well if you wanted to for a Toyota accessory. As you can see, you can fold the seats down flat in the back. There's a little bit of a ridge, but not much. Again, if you get that sliding cargo tray, that'll flatten out completely. Lots of room. It does obviously come with your JBL stereo system as well. That being the subwoofer in back there. Great space. Quick shot of the passenger side. Very much like a carbon fiber surround for the lower console, your heated seats, your power rear window, your traditional 4-wheel drive, so 2 high, 4 high, and then 4 low. Big storage console with a 12 volt. As far as Toyotas go with their instrumentation, it's very similar. They updated this a couple years ago with the 4Runners. The newer color touch display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can pair your cell phone to it. You can tether your phone to it and use either one of those two services. Your air conditioning controls are down here. Dual climate control. Steering wheel controls are relatively the same as they've been for a while. You've got volume controls up over here. Your voice commands. Hang up, answer. And then right here is your information center directly in front of you, along with your forward collision alert, or not your forward, I'm sorry, your adaptive cruise control, and then your lane departure warning, lane keep assist. fire it up. You got a couple things here directly in front of you. You've got your steering angle so you can know which way your wheels are pointed. You also have your multi-terrain view mode if you like, so when you're off-roading you can get a good idea of what's around you. Heated washer fluid. And then right here you've got your power outlets to turn them on and on, particularly for the 120 volt and back. Again, this has 145 miles on, so this is essentially a new vehicle. You've got your compass heading, you've got your audio system, you've got whether your cruise control is on, your lane departure warning is on, any alerts for tire pressure, temperatures, and then to shut off your lane departure assist, your PCS, your BSM, your RCETA, and then a little information center about fuel economy, distance to empty, eco indicators, and showing you what kind of fuel economy you're getting at that time. Digital speedometer, and then a sway warning, time until rest. This is a very much like an attention warning in a Hyundai. Just tells you whether you're paying attention or not. Pays attention to which way you're looking and whether you're actually paying attention or not. You'll notice your four-wheel drive is engaged right up there. So with the TRD Pros, you do have crawl control with your speed adjustment, and then what kind of off-roading you're doing, you'll have right up here, along with you've got your rear locking differential, you've got your A-track, you've got your programmable garage door openers, and your power sunroof. If you'd like to know more about 4Runner, we sell a ton of 4Runners. Pros are a little harder to get, and due to places like Carvana buying up as much stuff as they can and inflating prices, it can be a little crazy, but we don't have the big ADMs for local customers, so no big additional markup. If we get one for you, we can track one down for you, we can order one for you. Love to find you your 4Runner. Again, my name's Dan Deshane at Lake Country Toyota. If you'd like to know more, get a hold of me at 218-264-4040. Thanks again and have a great day.